Welcome to the installation video of the LQX-A PV combiner box. Open the package and take out the PV combiner box. First, remove the panel. First, check if the product is intact, then perform an on-off test to ensure the equipment functions properly. Connect one positive cable and one negative cable to the middle holes and insert them into the corresponding ports. Connect the grounding cable to the black holes on the right. Next, put on the cover and fasten the screws. Connect the positive and negative poles according to the external wiring markings.